Tiprasharokba boro thangke sabnar thangke yok samung mansinai. Ama haike no duma soratu koirampara thangmani lama kaisaman mani bisitam kawoibo takphano o samungno o lamano complete khai rijakya. Chaya nungya hapong hatai bakogoino Fotir korom sorani Hatsuksa MLA Poldangsu Shemni thani letari mangno or samangno karioi tui faimani 2021 ni simi or samangno romjang mani tabokbo haina hai samang PMGY scheme ni samang khaijang mani mono RT blog ni faijing ti khaijai takbo complete khai rijagya tei babaisa faijing jeng saimano bisiwo waisano kotor terongo hapong raja ter o terot hajar lukorok phai kuthum layo lama sikori inge bahike o te dogo thanglainai tongkosong tongnai lukorok ni manasi khaijak tongo pun tanjangnai haikeba faruk phiyok jangnai kobangma manasi khaijak tongo o lama tैनो ma thango o lama se tak phano complete khairi jeyake tongkosong tongnai rok bahike thanglai so phainai rungnok tongo Ongonawari center tongo o lama tei ma thango bahike thangkana rungfurungnai rok Ongonawari center ni madam rok sakbaithang okoktomano khnawai Fotir korom sorani MLA Poldangsu spoto thangai naikha thangai naimani no belai kheno lama hamya nukha khanangoi saka MLA Poldangsu o lamano doti sulam tegake haina hai teisa CM ni thani letter yafarnai je contractor hai kaiba je agency o samna khai tongnai bini mungte letter sunai agency haikaba contractor ni mungka Rajiv Prasad bo tamo wansungno saimaya o chini channel ni bisingteno o mangleno nugui bo tamo step nano tak lukorok naising laija
মুক্তি সরে থাকি Belai hamba jotono, haina hajoto awra sakrangno ang khulumuya hamba.
Belaino hambai sini bukuk sorgo srino bini khorang gede bai sinur sap narmani bagai aw kubino jora layak sing jora tong sini jora no nargi mani ang kai sini bagai o jora tumai thamai abon baino singno resabung ni bisingte singno jotono sini khawo sino mutu bali thanga sini bukuk sorgo sini bagai tabai sa pal ki apa koroni phali.
Today I came here in Koirampara. This is the new road construction that has been constructing since 2021. No sign of completion. Many times I have visited. This is my third time here, and I have pressurized to the concerned department also and to the agency also. Agency has been promising. He said that we'll be completing this year, next year, but no sign of work has been done. And as a sitting MLA, I say, if agency keep on doing all this to tribal areas, then if the agitation arises in this area or any part of the constituency in 48 Karamsara, I will not be liable for that. Department and the concerned agency has to be liable for that. And one more thing, our people has been suffering since long, and if this is the condition, then they'll be suffering more. This road was supposed to be completed by last year. I guess this year also the same. No sign of work, and when we talk to the agency give many excuses. Agency give excuses regarding the funds, regarding the manpower, regarding their machinery. And the name of the agency you can see here, Rajiv Prasad. So if you are watching my video, I'm going to tell you again, you kindly start this work, or else there will be a big agitation for this road. Here you can see in my right side, there is a pilgrim place, Hapung Raja. Thousands and thousands people come during the month of April, March, and devotees come here to worship. So this road is not motorable. In case of any emergency services or any kind of emergency which people need to commute, then it's not possible. There are hundreds and hundreds of families here. There is one school. There is also Anganwadi centers. And there are many more institutions that connect this road. Nothing is happening. So I'll write to the Chief Minister. And if that doesn't work, then public will answer to those agencies. Thank you.